We'd like to see a comparison between a really high-end, nice, powerful electric chainsaw versus a gas chainsaw of similar range. So let me show you the log, and then we'll do a time trial and we'll find out who does the best. So here's how it's going to work. So what I'm going to do is we'll set the clock, and we're going to make 6 cuts. We'll do a down, up, down, up, down, up. So that'll be 6 cuts from the top side of the bar, on the back side of the bar, and we'll see which one is going to be faster. We've got a piece of lodgepole pine here that is probably about 6 inches in diameter. Now this is definitely on the big side and more wood than these little saws are probably intended to cut, but it's equal, so we'll see. I have no idea what to expect. I've never ran one of these little saws. Or the electric, so I'm really keen to find out which one's going to be the faster cutter. So let's start with the Makita, the electric. I guess I don't need hearing protection. I'm assuming. That's a nice bonus. So you turn it on. How do you make it work? Oh, there we go. And actually it is a little bit noisy. I'm going to put hearing protection in. Why not? I don't like loud tools. All right. 6 cuts. On your mark. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoops. Go. All right, there we go. Okay, that was that's pretty cool. Now for the Husky Pro arborist saw here. Not sure the starting sequence.